what is really going on right now in crypto? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. I'm going to give you a few things that you need to be aware of and make you aware of some events that are out there, just kind of the overall state of the union and what is really going on. Okay, so please stick to the end because I got a lot to tell you so that you understand the lay of the land of all of crypto. Okay, and this does impact any top token or coin that you own. Okay, so let's get into this. Okay, so right now, crypto is down about 2% as of the recording of this video. Bitcoin has fallen down below 24. At 24, it actually has crossed below 24,000, and Ethereum has crossed below 1,700. And you can see, BNB's down 4, XRP's down 3, Cardano down 2, Doge down 2, Solana down 4, SHIB down almost 5, Litecoin, and so forth and so forth and so forth. Okay, so what is really going on? Okay, first and foremost, I think you have profit taking right here, right now. We had basically a 40 to 48 hour run, the last 40 to 48 hours run here, where we had some pretty significant gains moving up across the crypto, across the board, profit taking. Okay, that's to be expected. You can't just continue to go up forever. You got to go up, kind of maybe pull back a little bit, go sideways, go up, etc. We all know this. Profit taking. Secondly, manipulation. There is manipulation going on in the market, period. There is. If you don't believe it, there is. Crypto is still relatively small enough where it can be manipulated. It can be, and that's happening. But manipulation happens every day. It's something that's here. It's just a reality, right? It's just part of it's part of the narrative. So that's part of it. And manipulation happens. It's not always a bad thing. I mean, right or wrong, however you feel about it. It is what it is. But I think there's some manipulation going on. It could be to as an example, to push Bitcoin or Ethereum down a little bit so that we can get better, so that certain sectors can get better, entry points and profits and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so that's going on. Thirdly, uncertainty. We still have a lot of uncertainty. We still have a lot of, fear and unknown going on in crypto. We do, right? We do. Okay. By the way, look at this. I mean, the stock market's down, 100 plus right here. NASDAQ's down 147. And, stocks slump amid hawkish Fed, sticky inflation signs. There's no such thing as a no landing scenario. And we're going to have a soft landing. Or we're going to have a hard landing. Or we're going to land on our head. We're not going to land at all. We're going to come crashing down. All those different, narratives for financial markets, et cetera, and having to do with the, recession and the Fed and et cetera. It's all there. You can't turn on the TV or go online pretty much anywhere and not see something bad about the economy or something or some various part of it. That's part of it. It is. Crypto is a hedge against some of these things. So that's partly why you do see money flowing into crypto, especially in the last 48 hours. You saw a lot of money flow into crypto and you saw a lot of money flow out of stocks because stocks have been down dramatically. But that's part of the discussion as well. It's part of the cycle, if you will. It's something you need to be aware of. But underlying all of it is fear and uncertainty because there is uncertainty in the market. There's uncertainty across the board for what is the inflation scenario going to look like? What's the Fed going to do at their next FOMC meeting coming up in mid-March? What are they going to do? Are they going to raise at 25 basis points or 50? Nobody knows. We didn't get a great CPI. We got a massive surprise on the jobs, on the jobs growth report. That was not a good news scenario. So uncertainty, it's all part of it. That's what's really going on. All of these different things are swirling and part of all of this. Okay. It is what it is. Volatility is the name of the game. And crypto is very volatile in a good way and a bad way. You just got to be smart, be diversified, don't be emotional, have a plan, take profits, all of those variables. That's what I got. As always, thank you for your support. I'll see you. Have a good one.